Hey everyone, welcome back to SebRauf. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix Epic Game Launcher not opening on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let me show you. Right now, I'm on my Windows 10, and if I just search for Epic Games Launcher, and if I click on it, you see that it's not coming up. Okay, it just disappear and nothing comes up. All right, so let me show you again. If I again click on it, and then click on Epic Game Launcher, it just move around, then it doesn't come up. All right, so what you will have to do, you may have the same problem on your Windows 10 or 11 machine. So the first thing that you have to do, you need to make a right click on the Windows icon, then click on Task Manager. From the top menu option, you have to click on Details. Now here you have to look for Epic Game or Epic Game Launcher. If you find any application related to it, then you have to close it. So keep scrolling down until you find any file, any application related to Epic Game Launcher. If you get it, you just need to make a right click on it and close it. All right, so I don't see any of the file here, any of the application, even not in the processes. So I will just make sure that there is no file running related to Epic Game Launcher. So if you see any of the file running related to it, then you have to close it. This is the first thing that you have to assure. Next, you have to close it. Now look for your Windows icon again, right click on it, then click on Run. In the Run box, you have to type %local app data %again, and then click on OK. Now here you have to look for Epic Game Launcher folder. Here it is, Epic Games Launcher. Double click on it. Then you will find the saved folder. Double click on saved. Then here you will find the webcache 4430. Just make a right click on it and choose delete. But don't worry, this is a cache folder. It won't be deleting any of your personal file related to Epic Game Launcher. Once you are done, you have to close it. Now again, click on the search box, type Epic. You will be getting Epic Game Launcher. Right click on it and choose open file location. You will be getting Epic Game Launcher icon. Right click on it, then click on properties. From the top menu option, click on compatibility. Check the option run this program as an administrator. Then click apply and then click on OK. Now you can close it. All right, now we are done. Let me open Epic Game Launcher again. And if I click on it, it has the permission and the Epic Game Launcher is now coming up. All right, so even if you make a restart and the next time whenever you will try to use it, Epic Game Launcher will come up very quickly without any error or without any problem. So that's all guys. Hopefully this solution will surely work for you. And if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe. For any question, let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.